Here you go. How y'all doing? I'm gonna show y'all today, this here day, like today, how I would picture a Starbucks barista or anything along that line. Hey there, ha ha ha. First thing I would do is get it all clean, because most time you find them, they're dirty. All right, get it all clean. Take all the parts, clean them. All right, first thing you do is weigh it, which I've already had, because that's 16 pounds, 14 ounces. Okay, now if you don't put the extra on there for shipping, because you got to have packing and everything else, and if you don't put the extra on there, it's going to end up costing you a whole bunch of money. And if you say, well, I'm going to do all my stuff free shipping, well, I'm going to tell you, if you live in Florida or wherever you live, and you got to ship something clear across the country, and you just put free shipping on there and you didn't add it into your price, you're going to make a big mistake, and it's going to cost you a whole bunch of money. Why do I say this? Because I have done it before. Okay? Everybody makes mistakes, but you try to learn from your mistakes. You make your mistakes be a learning experience. Okay, now, once I got it like this, I would move my scale. I would measure it also, which I already have. It's like you add, make sure you add, like say, let's do it. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Say I'm gonna sell this here, and I'm gonna have to pack it. Say your measurement for the height is 12 inches. That's not what you write down when you put it in your listing. What you actually put down adds you at least 4 inches to every measurement on something like this, because you're gonna have to pack it good. I ship something like this, I double box it always, because this is high dollar. I don't want it to get messed up. I put it in one box, wrapped up real good with bubble wrap and everything, and I'll take and have another box a little bit bigger, and I'll put my cushionings in there, my bubble wrap and whatever, paper or whatever I decide to do. I'll put that in there and then pack it tight. And yes, it's overkill, but my stuff gets there and people love it. That makes a difference. Okay, now, y'all see here, front of it, okay? We're gonna take a picture. Let's get it all together so we can take a good picture. All right, a couple of pictures actually, because people need to know what parts you have in this thing. That needs to go back around there. That's around there. Y'all been around there before? I know you have. All right. I remember. Y'all told me. Y'all did. Okay. Now, I got to have, wait a minute. Y'all have my camera. But how can I do this? Okay, I'll just have to explain to y'all how I would do it. Since, y'all hold on just a minute. Let's see what we can do right over here. I got something else that'll work. I do. I really, really do. I promise you, I do. I promise you, I do. I got to find. I ain't left y'all. I'm just singing. I sang the other day. I told a friend of mine, I said, I bet you didn't know I could sing, and he said, I still don't. So, you know how that goes. We had them yesterday. Got to be in this drawer. D-R-O-R. There's some candy. Y'all like candy? Candy. Candy. Always wanted to be a candy man. 'Cause the man, candy man can. He mixes it with love and makes the world go round. Yeah, he does. I promise you that. Where in the heck is the candy? That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for the... I gotta have a... hold on, y'all. I'm not trying to be rude. Maybe I can do it with this other thing since I don't know where SD card got off to. I have about 4,000 of them. Alright. I don't know if this is going to work. We're going to see. Y'all bear with me. I'm a bear with me. I'm a with me bear. Oh, it's turned on. So I got one of these, it's an old type. It just as is, but you know, it works for what it's, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, but hi da 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 da. When I was a little bitty baby, my mom used to rock me in the cradle in that old country boy type time. It was back in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in the old cotton fields back home. Oh, them cotton bolls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton. See? I know that song. Now, y'all want me to sing y'all something else? Blame it all on my roots. I farted in her boots and ruined her black tie fair. Only one to show, only one to go, the only one I'd see there. And I saw her in eyes. All right, I'm back. Okay. Let's see here. I got the flash off. I do not use a flash with this. Okay, and I'll take another one that shows what all is there. Now, next thing I'm going to do is break them glasses, I guess. This should have a stop on it. That lets me go back the other way. Oh, you just got to twist it. It's called twist it. Twist and shout. Shout and twist. Now I'm going to take another picture of this right here. And this one. Because that's for small one. That's if you don't really want very much coffee. You're a weakling or something. You know. And then we'll come down here. We're going to take us another picture. Just like that. I like to take several because I don't want to, you know what I'm saying? I don't really, you know, everything. So we're allowed 12, and you know, you ain't got to put 12 pictures on eBay. But you know what? What does it hurt? And how much longer is it going to take you to do them? Huh? Well, what? 3 seconds if you go ahead and take them, maybe 15 or 16 or 18 or 21 or 11 or one of the other numbers. You know what I'm saying? I know you do. I really, really do know you do. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Okay. And that's called that's a tamper. T-A-M-per. Tamper. You know, for tamping things. You ever tamp things before? I've tamped things. I did twice one time when I was 3 and 6. 11. All right. Now, want all that. Move over that way. Now, okay. That's got to have a picture of that. I like just how, well, on this I probably would do maybe like this, okay? Because I can't take up all my room with just each one of those. But if anybody ever asks for another picture on the price of what I'm doing here, I don't mind taking it out and taking another picture. Because these things are money. I'm not going to take that out of the back, see. But that's the water tank. TA ink. It's called a TA ink. Come on now. Okay. It's ready. It says, I'm ready. It did say that. I promise y'all 100% and 7 eighths and 9, 11, 14, 22, and 6. Yeah. Y'all know that? Yeah, I do. I do. All right. Now, and I'll do the pictures of the sides. Just one. And that's basically to keep them from thinking that got dents in it or something, you know. You know how folks are when they want to spend money. I like to help them spend money. I really do. I like buying stuff for them to buy from me. See, that's just the way it is. Did y'all know that? Uh-huh. You ready? And we want a picture of the tag. See? Right here. It says C code. C, no it don't. It says SAE code. Say, I don't know how to pronounce them big words like that. I try hard though. Y'all got to bear with me and give me a little bit of slack, you know, 'cause I'm old. You know, when you get old, it's rough on you real bad, you know. You forget things, and I don't know what that is. I ain't gonna mess with that. But that's not what I should have told y'all. Y'all need to pull it out and check it and everything. I do know what it is. It goes down to the water. WDO, water. Okay. I did not like that picture. I did not. That one. And then, since this has had no water in it since we cleaned it, I'm going to put it like this. I'm going to take out this. Alright. And I'm going to turn it just like that. And I'm going to take me a picture. That looked pretty good. I'd like to have it where, okay. Alright, and then they'd like to have one, I'd like to show them under here. I know y'all saying it's overkill on pictures and all this kind of stuff, but when you're dealing with that kind of money and that kind of profit item, you got to do it right. You know, that's just the way it is. People want to know what they're going to spend a couple, $200 or $300 on something. They're going to need to know what they buying, which I don't blame them. So I do my best to show them. You know, it's just the way it is. I don't know nothing about what I'm doing, so I hope y'all are not paying attention to what I'm doing. Because I don't know, I ain't got a clue. Yeah. I'm just an old country boy, don't know shit about nothing. I said shit. I didn't say that other word, okay? So, well, I love y'all. And it's time for me to take this out because I got work to do. Bye now.